For large diameter, whole log splitting, the 115 horsepower Multi-Tech Log Buster is your first choice. This heavy-duty cycle, log quartering machine is designed to split logs up to 10 feet long and virtually unlimited diameter. With twin 7-inch hydraulic cylinders and 100 tons of splitting force, this machine can quickly and efficiently prepare volumes of large diameter logs for further processing. Built on a tandem trailer axle with stabilized frame, the Log Buster features an ultra-fast 40-second cycle time, 10-foot opening, 125-gallon hydraulic reservoir, adjustable 4-way knife, a log cradle system, and a user-friendly radio remote control system. No other combination offers the production, reliability, or versatility of the Log Buster. The unit weighs over 15,000 pounds and will require a heavy-duty truck to haul it from site to site. The Log Buster is a value-added asset to operate in tandem with your paper mill, biomass facility, firewood business, tree service, sawmill, or any other operation that requires utilization of large diameter logs. The 115 horsepower Multi-Tech Log Buster is quality engineered for the large volume professional firewood producer. It sets the standard by which all other processors are measured.